Hi, have I got something for you? If you've ever wanted to learn Procreate, I've created a handy dandy free tool guide that you can use to learn the tools and some of the most essential operations that you can do and complete with Procreate. So, if you take a look at this is what I've got. I list my favorite tools, where they're located. I give you some tips on how to use the program and those things that are best to get the most out of Procreate. So if you'd like to have it, it's a free gift. You can download it from my website. Click the link below. Also, if you'd like to learn more about Procreate, I do have a training course that you can join, which teaches you all the basics and all the things you need to get up and running and learning about digital painting. I've tried everything over the years. I've done lots of different programs, and by far, Procreate with my Apple Pencil and my iPad is my favorite. I have get the most consistent results and I've figured out a process that I really love and I want to share it with you. All right, so good luck. Have fun creating your art.